Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW Z4 guys, and you need to disconnect your fuel line going to the fuel injectors, the fuel rail or the high pressure fuel pump. Stay with us guys, we'll explain how to do that. Make sure to stay until the end. We will cover if you have that special tool that comes with the line, or if you don't guys, what else you can use to actually remove that line. And make sure to stay until the end because you have to follow certain safety procedures. That way guys, okay, you can avoid catching yourself on fire, your car on fire or anything else and hurt your eyes, skin. So we'll cover quite helpful information. All the tools and parts that we use guys, or if you want to see where we get all our tools and parts from in case you need to buy something for your BMW Z4, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. That way we can keep providing this free information. Let me show you what we have here, and we're going to explain about the fuel line. Doesn't matter guys, if you have a 4 or 6-cylinder engine on your BMW Z4, the procedure will be about the same. First you need to remove your engine cover. You may have a different style engine cover. It may be black, it may be silver, it may be a 4-cylinder engine, so there will be a different procedure about removing engine covers, but ours is, it just attaches with rubber bushings to the valve cover, so you just pull it up. This is the fuel line right here. If you have something like that, we're going to cover today how to actually disconnect it guys, and how to find out, okay, to do that. Also, if you're missing that ring that you're going to use to disconnect your line, we'll actually explain what else you can use instead guys. But before we start, let me tell you one thing. Check this channel out, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 75 million people. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars guys on future car repair, so definitely guys check it out. Now let's explain, okay, how we're going to actually do that guys. Pretty simple. You guys, okay, before we start, you will have enormous amount of fuel pressure. You have to disconnect your car battery for two reasons guys. One is to avoid sparks and have a resource that can create sparks, and this is if the electrical system is charged. So disconnect the car battery. Number two, the BMW fuel system, it's kind of like a self-bleeding system. Once in a while the pump will turn on to build fuel pressure. If the fuel pressure drops, that way you can start the car immediately when you jump in it guys. So let's say you disconnect the hose, okay, your pump may activate, or if you open the driver's door sometimes, or even other doors, the fuel pump will activate and it can spread fuel everywhere. Now on modern cars it really matters which car battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative, because if you don't do it the correct way, you can actually cause damage to your electrical system guys, okay, when reconnecting and disconnecting your battery. And we have a special video that explains all that, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. We messed something like that up in the past and it cost us $2,000, so you want to do it the right way. Now this is your fuel line. And the fuel line guys, okay, if you pull it a little bit it may be stuck, but pull it a little bit it can move back and forth. Push it all the way to the front, okay. Now that blue ring, you push it in while one person is pushing the line to the front, and you start, okay, removing it. Okay, it got stuck, so we might need to do it with 2 fingers, okay, and you can see the line comes out. Now you will spray in some cases really enormous amount of fuel, and that can get in your eyes. Use eye protection gloves. What you can do, you can actually cover a little bit with a rag, so that way it doesn't spray in your eyes if accidentally something happens. This is it guys. Now if that device is broken, you can actually use a manual release, one of those, okay, and you need to find the one that fits, okay. And when you find the one that fits, what's going to happen here now, okay, actually you're going to go on top of the line, okay, and you're going to release the line with this thing instead of the one that comes with the BMW line. Now if you have a fuel leaking line, it's probably because of the seal right here, and that line will need to be removed and replaced. You have another connector on the other side and you can remove and replace that line. So putting it together guys, okay, you need to push all the way in until you hear a click. Okay, perfect. And make sure guys that you're not going to leak any fuel when you start your car, because if you do, you will catch yourself on fire. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.